What's up, traders? Welcome to the next way trading. My name is Lester, and today I'm gonna share with you this live trading session using the strategy for 1 minute and see how rideable and powerful can be trading with this turbo strategy. And I'm gonna use it right now. So, with me, good luck. Okay, guys, I'm gonna trade with this turbo strategy for binary options created for the broker Quotex, but right now I'm gonna test it with the broker Pocket option. And my advice before to start to using this turbo strategy, I recommend you trade with your demo account using your paper money and trade with this strategy. Put and practice everything about this strategy. I'm gonna explain right now how to set up and how to trade with this turbo strategy for binary options, and right now for pocket option. Okay, we have profit with this turbo strategy with this signal, but I'm gonna explain right now how to set up and how to trade. Okay, guys, I saw this strategy for Quotex, and right now I just testing it with pocket options because asking me if it is the same with pocket options. This is the settings for pocket option. See, this is the settings. I just close it or zero OpenC with the period 8. I don't using it. I just using period 70 for the RSI, and the moment they touch it, for example here, we can trade for a put. I trade here. I think this was this one here. I trade for a put. We're gonna trade for a call when the both indicators, a stochastic oscillator and the RSI, crossing or touch it the support line and start going up. So in that moment we trade for a call. We're using both here. I like it follow the blue line with the stochastic oscillator. That line tell me the direction is gonna take it this one here, because you see here touch it, but they in this case orange line never touch it. I prefer waiting for this when they change the direction and touch it here to or cross it my stochastic oscillator. We have a good strategy here. I'm gonna try to increase my balance. Start with $89. My first trade, and just waiting right now to this live trading session using this turbo strategy for binary options. It's simple to use it and simple to understand how to trade with this turbo strategy for binary options. The chart, we are gonna see it in 1 minute, Japanese candles, and we are gonna trade for 1 minute too for the time frame. I'm gonna show you right now this live trading session, turbo live trading session, and I hope so make money today. Wish me good luck. Okay, guys, you see this live trading session, and it's insane how I trade right now using this turbo strategy. Um, the results are really good. We have my first trades, and this looks in the money too. Follow the same rules: touching or cross it, touching or cross it, and trade for 1 minute. Stay there. 2 seconds, please. One was in the money. Nice one. Let's go to check it out how much money we made right now. $500. I'm gonna trade for $500 my next trade. And just waiting. I think I lost my opportunity here, but it's still good one to take it. This turbo strategy is not mine, right? This is not my turbo strategy. I'm gonna leave it the original video below of this video, where you can find more information about this turbo strategy. But it's totally exciting how respecting these both indicators, we can have a great results just like in this case. Totally amazing. Just waiting to end this another signal, and what's a short period. This is the love of this and the risk of this. We are trading just in a few minutes right now, just waiting to see it, right? Let's go to wait. And $900. Let's start with $89, and I ending this with $900. We have a great results right now with this turbo strategy for binary options. This strategy is not mine, and the results we having is a great number. We start with $89, and I'm gonna stop right now with $900 on profits. It's a good number, and I think it's possible trade with this turbo strategy. Follow the simple instructions we have with these turbo indicators. If you have 2 of the money, stop in that moment. Don't trade with it 100% of your balance, because you can lose your money. But trade with the 10% and try to increase it 25% per day with this turbo strategy for binary options, and trust me, you can have a great results in your trades. I'm gonna leave it the link below this video if you want to use in the demo pocket option and testing it this strategy. I hope this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, activate the notification bell, and see you in the next wave.